Ini macam perjuangan satu kaum, satu agama. Bukan? Betul tak?
How often do you see an Indian Malaysian, a Hindu, taking to the streets in solidarity with Palestine? Activist Maitreyar Muthuramalingam is one of the few. And he's not just marching. This will be the third year in a row that he's choosing to forgo Deepavali celebrations as an act of empathy for the people of Gaza.
My ideology is only one. We are satu keluarga Malaysia. We are Malaysia, keluarga satu Malaysia. Itu saja saya punya ideologi. So saya melihat orang Melayu semua turun bersuara. Apa saya sedang buat? Saya bukan manusia ke? Saya manusia, so kena ada humanity. Masih ada orang di sini Malaysia ni, mereka kata, itu isu mereka. Isu mereka tu siapa? Mereka ialah keluarga kita lah.
Maitreyar has traveled all across the country to participate in protests, even completing a 200-hour hunger strike at Dataran Merdeka.
Mereka tengok saya seorang India, saya akan pegang, saya akan beli. Tapi mereka nampak surprise tau. Wah, seorang bukan Islam datang.
Maitreyar's initial motivation to speak up for Palestine was the Tamil genocide in Sri Lanka, which began in 1956. He feared the same pattern of violence and oppression would unfold in Palestine. Maitreyar has also long championed Malaysian causes. Once the employee of a legal firm, a road accident that left him in a coma became a turning point. Now based in Tanjung Malim Perak, he continues his advocacy work with renewed purpose. This year, while the rest of his family celebrates Deepavali, Maitreyar quietly steps back.
Sumbangan saya lah. That's my part as a human being to show that saya tak boleh gembira. Mereka celebrate selepas mereka hapuskan yang kejahatan. So pandangan saya, kejahatan masih kat sini depan mata kita.
In the battle between light and darkness, it may be people like Maitreyar who keep that light burning in the spirit of Deepavali. Divya Raghu, FMT.